Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rocked, just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. Welcome back. It is September 21st. This is the final time you will see me this week. We stream every day, Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Guys, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. If you are watching this video live or even after with the recording, the algorithm says you're a crypto enthusiast. So please consider smoking that like button as well as hitting that subscribe. It helps the channel out, and let's get right into it here. All right, so we're going to start off with the market, but let me see. I already see the chat popping off. We got Cody Core in the building. I see you, buddy. I see you loud and clear. What is going on? SK, nice to see you. Oh man, everyone's in early today. What's going on? Coochie boy. Cody, I saw you, Cody. It was like deer in headlights, it's all I could look at. I'm like, oh my god, Cody's back. Is everything okay? How you feeling today? How's work? Hey, Teddy and the goons. Hey, Coochie boy. Everyone smoke that like button, please. Up, everyone. Hey, Crypto Pie William. I got your comment on the last video. I appreciate you watching even the recording. My Crypto Pie William, one of the returning audience. I'm good. I'm glad. So real quick, guys, we are going to get started with the global crypto market cap, 1.05 trillion. I told you if that level of 27K does not hold, we're going to see retracement. This is not anything that we did not expect. So if you guys are new to crypto and you're like, hey, Teddy, what do you mean? You knew about this was going to happen? Yes. We knew this was going to happen. We've been using predictive indicators to help us make better judgments with our trading. And we assumed there was going to be a retracement if current levels did not hold. And that's exactly what we're seeing. So that pullback is strong. 1.05 trillion, the highest we've seen this, almost 109 trillion, really. But yeah, definitely. Hey, Teddy, I saw some weird stuff on YouTube today. What's going on, Mark Noby? I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Yes, that is what Mark Noby's referring to, is there is a lot of weird stuff going on. And for those of you guys that know, if you don't know, I will fill you in right now. Guys, I have started a second YouTube channel that is not crypto related, because I know some of you guys just like to see, how I would react to something. So my wife is a big theorist, if you will, and we've came up with this concept of, hey, let's look at, and it's not anything new. Bunch of people are doing it, but we are considering, looking at the weird, the creepy side of TikTok and just reacting to it. So I've started the initial, I think 2 videos are out right now. We already have a bunch of videos recorded. I'm way more in line to make sure I don't miss anything, to make sure, I'm growing with the algorithm. With here, we got shadow banned a little bit, but we're still growing in the algorithm, and that's what we love to see. So the channel's name is Explore the Weird. It's definitely something you guys can check out on your own time, but it has nothing to do with crypto whatsoever. And if that's something you're into, definitely check it out. Actually, I'll drop the channel right in here for you guys, because I know the goons, they want to explore the weird. Teddy, I want to explore the weird, Teddy. I want to explore the weird. Yeah, we get real weird here. So here is the first. Sorry. First, shout out to the Twitch guys too. What's going on? Nice to see you. Let me see here. Last week, been busy to catch the show, but it's slow now. Oh, okay, yeah, I saw you were having a crazy week last week. I barely saw you, so I figured, hey, this guy real busy. I'm glad to see you back. Hey, SK. Oh, wow, congrats, Teddy. Thank you, man. Thank you. I'm going to tell my grandkids the guy is the alien. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, that's hilarious. Yeah, this guy's the alien. Oh, there's a lot of crazy stuff on TikTok, man. Let me tell you, I've been watching some crazy, crazy things. But regardless, I've been also watching crazier things with, um, oh, cryptocurrency and really the retracement. We say it's crazy, but now it's like, oh, come on, who didn't see this coming? Ethereum under 1600, come on. Anyone could have told you that. It's been indicating this for quite some time. It was just a matter of when. So I am going to move over to the dominance here. Main thing I want you guys to look at, which is what I've said time and time again, as BTC price goes down, don't be alarmed if the dominance goes up. All this means is people are losing trust in them altcoins and they're coming to Big Daddy Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is gaining that dominance. And we're seeing that Ethereum as well, even with the retracement, has held on to its dominance. We've been holding steady at 18%. Keep in mind, USDT has small depeg here, but I'm sure it'll repeg given enough time. Almost everything else is about the same. I did see BNB come down in price as well. I see the dominance is about the same too. If this goes under 3%, then I'll be like, okay, something's happening with BNB, potential FTT situation. Hopefully not. Oh man, I cracked myself up. I swear, I swear. So trending. Things I made sure was, hey, are we seeing blue chips on here? Most likely we are. There's some randos that I haven't heard of. Sorry, not CeeLo's not rando, but I love CeeLo. Don't come after me, CeeLo army. But Bitcoin, number one, because it is trending down. We're at 26K, and Ethereum 1.5. So we are seeing retracements. A brand new day. Not looking at too many crazy gainers. Immutable looks to be up, and same with Terra Classic. Hey, is this the reversal? Are we seeing the reversal, Teddy? Potentially, guys. I'm not sure. So we got to talk about biggest losers. It's a brand new day, but they are coming in. Arbitrum of every single one. We've been watching. Arbitrum did retrace 5%. We're at 82 cents. It has been trending for so long. I am expecting some consolidation. Remember, the whales left Arbitrum, which gave us a great opportunity to pick it up at 76 to 78 cents. And if you've ridden those profit margins, you have made some. If you're worried, you're either DCAing or you're selling off and taking what you got, because we are seeing a small or a strong pullback on the market currently. So Gala, shout out to Gala. I know they're doing the real Web3, but looks like they're retracing as well. And optimism, of course. Optimism. Let me continue on here with crypto futures market just to keep you guys up to date. There has been a change in the amount of shorts that were here yesterday versus today. We are seeing it dip back to that long side for BTC, even though the price has gone down. So people are potentially nervous and trying to figure out, hey, is this the right time to short it or not? Because it did retrace from that 27K. So I personally am not bullish about it. So I would stay in that shorts area. But then I come to Ethereum and we're seeing the same bullish drive that seems to be showing up in BTC area as well. 71% are still bullish on Ethereum, right? So gotta wonder like what's driving them to be so bullish, especially on something like Binance. Get out of here. Let me see here. So that was that. I'm gonna move on to the news because I gotta tell you, I gotta fill you in. A lot of things have happened. A lot of things have happened. We're gonna start off with our boy SPF. It has came out in the trials or the research, the depositions, whatever you want to call it. They have figured out that he was the reason BTC crashed in 2021 to 8,200. So he single-handedly caused that to happen for rapid 87% plunge in Bitcoin price in 2021. So they're saying that the that he was the reason. Like this literally happened. And let me see if I actually saw this thing and thought this was hilarious. Part two. Again, the story of how a misplaced decimal point at Alameda research caused a market crash that echoed around the world. You see? A misplaced decimal point. selling a block of BTC for pennies on the dollar at that time. See? These freaking guys, man. We know crypto. Trust us. Trust us. The result of this blunder was immediate. The Bitcoin price nosedived 87% on Binance US in a flash October 21st, 2021. The cryptocurrency dipped from 65,000 highs to 8,200 per coin in the span of minutes on the platform, while other BTC markets functioned normally. So this was only on Binance US. You could grab a BTC for 8,200 because of that blunder. At that time, the crypto exchange attributed the price flash crash to a bug in the trading algorithm in an effort to cover Alameda's mistake. But now, it's came out that they have suffered tens of millions in losses from that bad trade. So yeah, guys, we now know. We now know it was him. It was him, Teddy. It was him. Dude, imagine him like getting away with this back in 2021 and freaking Binance US trying to cover that up, man. Ugh. Now, the other fun thing that happened with the SPF is he is going to remain in jail even when the trial starts. So there is no freedom in sight as of right now. So I hope everything's okay with them and he's not going too crazy in there. But it makes you wonder, what does he know? What does he know, Teddy? Why won't they let him out? Let him out. Let the boy out. So another fun thing for the XRP army, shout out to you guys. You guys have been killing it on the XRP shorts, even though I've been bearish on the negative. I do see XRP going to 44 cents. It's a matter of when at this point. But you guys are still, very strong, and I love to see that support from you guys. And really what it came down to was the CEO saying, we are super positive. Everything that the SEC threw at us, we have driven a freight train through Gensler's arguments, right? So they are now super bullish, and they're just trying to find a way that others also see that they're bullish. And there's been very positive news coming out, whether it's the CEO, the lawyer. What else have we seen? Random crypto influencers talking about XRP. We are seeing, even what's his blockchain buzz loves XRP as well. So we know there's going to be some level of support coming from the army, but really what's going to drive this is that institutional acceptance across the board. And that's what these guys are hoping, that this is going to happen if they get the win. So they do say that the SEC is going to lose their appeal that they had asked for. And basically that gives, at this point, XRP the win, regardless of that appeal. So that they do believe that appeal will be denied. So we continue to see, and hope that the CEO is right. Everything makes sense. The main points he hit on are the ones that I'm considering as the validation that, hey, he's basically saying everything Gensler threw at him in court, he has just gone through, and you start to wonder what's left. What's now Gensler gonna come up with? And I did make this the title of the video, Crypto Plummets, as Gensler says no, because our boy Gensler got on video and said no. Regardless of a court ruling, you cannot change Gensler's views. And he basically comes out, says the crypto space is full of hucksters. 1 second here. And we are going to definitely take a listen to this as well. All right, here we go, boys.
And so nothing any court would say would change your mind on
that. I wish something a court could say, which would actually bring the compliance sooner.
What? You see that? Did you see that?
And so nothing any court would say would change your mind on that.
I wish something a court could say, which would actually bring the compliance sooner.
He said no. He said no. That's basically what happened. This guy, real crazy, guys, makes no sense. He makes no sense. Oh, he needs to be fired. This is not okay. I concur. Oh, that's hilarious. I didn't even know Wendy O responded in that. But yeah, I'm basically seeing our boy Gary Gensler making no sense, lost for words. Clearly, he has no idea what to even say, because what's he gonna do? Hey, the courts are wrong. I'm Gary Gensler. I'm right. Unfortunately, life don't work that way, buddy. So only aliens understand. Oh boy, here we go. Coochie Boy's turning into a conspiracy theorist now. It happens to everybody. Stop watching the other channel, Coochie Boy. We're talking crypto here. Buddy. So yes, I did want to. Oh, I just had a crash. Am I still live? I'm still live. Okay. So we're pretty excited to see what's going to come out of this, because in the end, regardless of what Gary Gensler feels, the courts are going to be the final say in the matter. So we'll see how long this charade is going to go for Gary Gensler. I do not expect this to continue for much longer. At some point, he's got to be like, all right, you got me. I got nothing. Whatever you say, you know? Oh man. Let me see here. I think I had one more article, right? Yes. Crypto firm are trying to grow overseas, and we know it over and over again that we are seeing people leave America and go to whether it's Bahamas or some outside US territory. These guys are really trying to get there. So more firms, what was this? Rise Labs, Zodia Markets co-founder. There's a few crypto exchanges that are basically following suit and just want to get out of here, guys. They've also said Ripple Labs was in this, getting away from the US markets. And we just got to see what ends up happening overall. If there's this much regulation that this guy, Gary Gensler, who's going to go against court rulings because of his feelings. Hey, laws don't matter. My feelings matter. I'm Gary Gensler. Stop it. I'm Gary Gensler. Oh my God. Man, this guy just makes no sense to me sometimes, I swear. Man, those courts hurt my feelings, Teddy. How dare they? I'm Gary Gensler. Okay, Gary, you know how you change the laws, buddy? You make something called written laws that people can look at, read, and abide by. But you know what you do, buddy, Gary Gensler? You go, no, Teddy, that's not the way. The way Gary Gensler works is courts are wrong. Depending on what's happening, and my feelings are hurt. I'm going after them. Ethereum Foundation did it right. XRP did it wrong. I should have bought XRP, but I didn't. Now I'm mad. I'm Gary Gensler. So you think Ripple Labs will create another token? In reality, I remember looking at their blockchain early on. They don't even support smart contracts. So if they want true integration into their blockchain, I think there could be an upgrade to their blockchain that will help them come out with a more ecosystem like token. I don't know if it's going to happen immediately, but I have been seeing there are more and more of these blue chips going to the next tech in blockchain, which sometimes is proof of liquidity, proof of authority, just proof of stake, right? We've seen, and proof of work is really not being used as much, but it's still, BTC's main model, and BTC being as dominant as it is, you start to wonder if these blue chips need that edge on blue chip, so on BTC, so they can continue. So we'll see, man. That's a good question. We'll see if they actually end up doing it, but in the end, currently their ecosystem does not support it. So if they do that upgrade, I think that would tell us, like, oh yeah, they want smart contracts. That's why they're doing this, Teddy. So yeah, that was what I had for news. We're gonna go look at the chats. The chats, Teddy. I didn't look at the chats enough today. Today. And by the way, guys, I have noticed, I know I keep saying this time and time again, that returning audience is killing it. I appreciate you guys coming back over and over again, clicking on the video, watching it over. Teddy, I need to know every day, where are we? What's BTC doing, Teddy? Yeah, I need to know every day too. I need to know every day too. So we're looking at prices for BTC. We have seen, let me go back to one day. We have seen a reversal on BTC from that Fibonacci sequence. I told you guys, if we don't break 0.786, I expect a retracement down, and that 0.618, shout out to Aquila Traders, DB, that 0.618 level is a crucial level when looking to find predictive analysis on where BTC could be headed. And we know when looking at that 0.618 level, when it's tested and it goes up, you're having a great time. But if there is retracement and you break that 0.618 level, which happened yesterday, right? There's a brand new day, you see a strong retracement down. And this happens throughout the history of BTC's price. So what we did is we charted the fib retracement. We looked at the last low in the current time frame, and we took the last high in that time frame, and that gave us our levels in fib retracement to help us navigate the path and kind of figure out, hey, where is this headed? The other main indicator that told me, hey, the strong retracement was going to happen was the 26667, right? We love the 26667 level. It's a strong level of support, but if that support is broken, we've seen that retracement down. And really, if we continue looking at the fib retracement, we're looking at 25,751 as a potential level at 0.236 and 26,183. So I am gonna say we need a strong rally here. If that rally does not come, we continue to bleed. It's just part of the game. It is what's going to happen. And what's showing that is the Ethereum indicators, right? And Ethereum is something we've been charting for months, for years at this point. And those Ethereum indicators show us, hey, Teddy, there is a retracement and there's going to be a strong retracement. Our short position came in back in August 3rd, right? We've had this short. It is now September 22nd, and we are still in that short position. We are now going to test 1543. Triple G indicator puts it at 1531. I can agree with either or. This is a strong level of support. If that support does not hold, I assume Ethereum will have a crash to 1469. I think it's just, panic is going to set in. Right now, people, I want to mention this, are neutral, but that when this fear sets in, the sell-offs start. So be ready, guys. Just be ready. Know where you're supposed to be depending on what's happening in the market. I think there is an upgrade either coming up or already done for XRP smart contracts. Okay, let me check, actually. You could be right. I had missed some updates on XRP. Let me see. XRP smart contracts. Start coding on XRP Ledger. Build your XRPL blockchain smart contracts. You can use XRP Ledger escrows as smart contracts that release XRP after a certain time has passed. I mean, it's not really. It's like a workaround, right? XRP's Ledger's L2 smart contracts. I'm trying to see. See, this is the last news I see for this is this article, which is Ripple wants to bring Ethereum smart contracts to the XRP ledger. That was October 18th of 2022. The first ledger, October 2022. It's almost been an entire year, so they must have done it by now, right? And I go back. XRP Ledger to smart contract hints a timeline, and this was July 28th. So Evernode brings Ledger Layer 2 platform. XRP Ledger Layer 2. Yeah, this says XRP Ledger Layer 2. So journey towards launch. Evernode brings Layer 2 smart contracts via hooks to the XRP. Yeah, but this is not XRP doing the smart contracts. This is Evernode. So yeah, I don't think it's there yet, but it is potentially coming, it looks like. They talked about it a year ago, so we'll see. And we just found out that the ODL, right, on-demand liquidity, was renamed as Ripple Payments or something. So we'll see what ends up going on there. But yes, continuing on with the charts, BNB. You guys, I'm beating a dead horse at this point, Teddy. You need to stop beating the horse, Teddy. We know, under 200. You guys, that's where I want to capture by BNB. I just am losing hope on it. The news from Binance is not good. CZ gonna get demolished by Gensler if things are looking sour. It's already shady stuff with the SEFU, right, which is Binance custody previously, and now CZ comes out and goes, Binance US has nothing to do with blah 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 blah, and you're like, wait a second. It literally had Binance in the name, Binance custody. So we got to wonder what is actually going on, and with all those people leaving Binance, it just don't add up. Facts don't make sense. Feelings make sense. I'm Gary Gensler. Damn it, Gary, you're in my head. So XRP did lose level of support, which is anticipated. I'm just waiting for 44 cents. And Triple G indicator puts it at 46. Shiba. Oh, I think we are going to touch level of support here at what is it? 5069. Maybe small consolidation there, but in reality, 5064 seems more achievable before next takeoff. And I see more and more things for X coming out, aka formerly known as Twitter. I do expect at some point maybe Elon will do something for Doge just to get that pump started again. And keep in mind, the last time Elon did something for Doge, we went to 62. This time, even if we get to 30, I'll be happy, bro. Come on, Elon, pump my bag, buddy. 30 right here. I'll be happy. Better SNL days. He almost took it to $1, boys. 72. So just know when to get in and when to get out. There's no right or wrong time. We just need our boy Elon. And if you don't pump it, we're going to retrace. And we see our retracement levels. I put it at 5.7, but, I guess Triple G indicator says almost 5.9. 5.9, okay, we'll see. Got to talk about Pepe. It's coming back, Teddy. Look, it's not a new all-time low. It's coming back, Teddy. It's coming back. Buddies, wake up. It is not coming back. Pepe is done. The community can rally, but that rally won't be for much. For what? What utility does Pepe have? Exactly. What devs are building what utility for Pepe? The devs are out. The community is basically the only thing they're latching onto. And if you guys know anything about community tokens, especially community tokens that don't have leadership, they tend to go down. So now Crow, this is the crucial point, under 5 cents mark. Oh boy, I love under 5 cents. Oh, and it's back to 5 cents. Dang it. Just for the 1 second, Teddy, for the 1 second. Actually, it's still showing under 5 cents on my details. Let's see. Maybe we get lucky. I love grabbing Crow under 5 cents because there is always strong level of support from the army that pushes it back up. But, maybe we're about to see a new all-time lows again for Crow under 4 cents as well, which would be wild. But if I'm looking to grab it, I guess that would be it. H-bar will ruin them all. Hopefully. Bone still doing horrible. Yeah, we suffering real hard. All right, short signal still in across the board. So yeah, fairly bearish still on all the chats. Let's see. Let's go over to what's new. We're just going to take a look at some of the stuff we got into yesterday that just came out on the blockchain. So we have a filter. That filter looks at the last hour on the blockchain, things that meet our criteria and things that could do well. We ape in and we try to see if we made it, right? So whoops, sorry about that. Let me just go right to all right, so degen list, yes. So 1KX, 221%. No trading. Did this guy pull LP? Yes, LP was removed. We got wrecked, and that guy made 16 ETH. Damn it. Damn it, boys. We're supposed to make it all back with that. Baby fine. LP removed, and the guy made 55 ETH. Damn. Damn. We got wrecked hard on that, boys. We got in mad early, too. We should have just sold. You should have just sold, Teddy. Should have sold when you could. And Luffy, another one. LP removed. He made 4 ETH from that. Wow. Crazy, crazy. All right. So that was the 3 we had on the degen list. We're now looking in the last hour on the blockchain, specifically for good LP ratios that match the trading as well in the smaller time frames. I'm seeing this one stand out like crazy. Girl, not gonna be active on Twitter. Girl, not gonna be active on Twitter. That's the name of the token. I mean, 158 buys, 18 buys, 158 buys. What's going on with this token? It's doing fairly good. Hey, let's get in. We're gonna get in. Hopefully they don't rug us tomorrow, Teddy. That's the hope, buddy. But hunch tells me that they gonna. Oh, we're up. We're up. All right, don't remove LP on me, buddy. All right, let's go. So we got girl. How is your X Max doing? X Max. I have to check. I don't know. How is my X Max doing? Are we still in there? Dun, 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 dun. Let me see. Boom, boom. X Max. I am at 0.12. We are up, boys. We're up 0.12. We're at 200 now. Let's keep going. We're gonna keep it going. Okay, nice. H bar will rule them all. Let's see. Calcium. I like calcium. Calcium's in milk. I like milk. Do you guys like milk? Wait, why is the buys? Okay, here we go. So 5 minutes, 5 buys, 17 buys. Not really that many buys. Should we bet? I mean, barely any volume. 6.3K in the last 5 minutes, maybe. But 6.4 million in the last 1 hour? Dang. 75K market cap? I don't know about this one. Maybe no calcium. No milk for me. Yo, F Joe Crypto. Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you. Make sure you smoke that like button on your way in, boys. Bum, bum. Not going to be active on crypto Twitter. Girls all the way down here now. 21K in liquidity. 21K in liquidity. Peebo. Pepe Bonk. It's the next best thing. This pair has 0 cells, which might be a sign of a honeypot. How did they get this many people with a honeypot, man? Come on, man. You got them, man. Idiots. Let me see. Trance. This one's Trance, 3.2K in LP. But really, no one's really sold this one as well. I don't like the ones with 0 cells. 10 buys in freaking 20 seconds, 3.6K, 8 minutes, 158 in volume, 776 in volume. Magnesium. What is this? We just saw calcium. Now we see magnesium. This pair has very little liquidity, 4.7K in liquidity, 4.3K market cap. Yeah. Actually, kind of screw it. No, but there's no cells. That's iffy. Show me a cell. Nah, why are people buying this, man? There's no cells. Get out of there. Don't fall for it. Yeah, that's it. It's calcium and magnesium. Those are the ones. Magnesium, calcium, Teddy. It's gonna be the next thing. You can eat it with toast. Oh man, that would be wild. All right, so yeah, that's basically all we got for what's new. NXRA is QNT's little cousin. Dude, Max is live. Max is live. Yes, Max is live. We are in Max F Josie. We hold 18 million in Max. We're gonna see what ends up happening. We're gonna make all them profits, buddies. All right, so fine. I want to look at fine actually. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Don't look here. Everything's fine. Doing fairly okay. 500K in LP. I'm gonna move over to Goon Time. Goon Time. Goon Time. Goon Time is your time. Your time. Anything you need my opinion on, anything you want me to react to, want to talk about, tell me how your day's going. Tell me something about, I don't know, literally anything. It's all up to you guys. I have a no. Yes, and I remember I reached out to Wadi, and he has told me that they do have a Twitter. Let me get that. What was it? Max. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. What was it? Let's see. It was. Wadi. It was Max ERC 20 right here. Okay, got it. So this is the Max token. They have a website now. Okay, they have a website, maxerc20.com. Looks pretty cool. You can go look at the contract. You can buy the token. That's why we created Max token, a utility token. Okay. There's a token locker, LP locker, liquidity generating NFTs. Interesting. You can buy, oh, it says Pepe Max. Okay. You can buy Pepe. I guess this is Max. You got a roadmap as well. Okay, interesting. So yeah, you can literally buy this as we speak, guys. Contract. Oh, they have a Telegram as well. Oh, I thought it was only Discord. I don't know. Or maybe that's how you contact them. No idea. But regardless, Max token, we are in. So let's check out Elephant. Hey, Critical Thinker, nice to see you. How are things, man? Do you know much about liquidity lockers? I know a little about liquidity lockers. Like I've used Team Finance and I've had some experience with Unicrypt, but not too familiar, I guess. You need to tell me. Okay, so check Elephant. Let me check Elephant today. Now let's see. Has it done the thing? Elephant money. Have you made the money? Oh my god, another all-time high. Dude, I think they're literally going to shoot for the all-time high. And I told you, if they keep that momentum, even outside that Bollinger Band, look how frequently they've been hugging that top band on that Bollinger Band. So it is very well doable, man. They could totally do this. 45 million in LP. This thing could keep going, especially on that BNB chain. Is the airdrop 1-to-1? I'm good, bro. Okay, I'm good. I'm good as well. Critical Thinker. I've started another second channel just to see how things are. It's called Explore the Weird. It's definitely an interesting thing. Almost every day I look at crazier and crazier things. It's at this point I even need to put out a place that I can have people send in requests and stuff for reactions. Dude, but regardless, Elephant doing quite well. What was the other one? NXRA. I know Cody Core said NXRA. It's gonna be the next one. It's gonna be QNT's little cousin. 5 cents, okay. We're at the top of that Bollinger Band still. No, we're now at the middle of the Bollinger Band. Okay, so that's NXRA. Let me look at QNT. Quant. Are we doing quant? I mean, it's retraced with the rest of the market, $89. I know we've seen it above 100 for quite some time, and now we're under 100. So we'll see if this continues to retrace. But to be honest, this is a pretty good level of support. Just eyeballing it right here with the 1-day candle. So quant, and then I know you said H bar, Hedera. The wrong Hedera. Wait, what? This is the wrong Hedera. Yeah. Hedera. Okay. I guess this is gonna be one of those days, Teddy. It's gonna be one of those days. H bar Hedera. 5 cents. Okay, so almost everything's retraced with the markets then. Everything's retraced with the markets. Very sad. Very, very sad. Okay, I think that is it, guys. I am out of here. You won't see me again till next week. I'll be back Monday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys consider subscribing to the channel. It does help the Goon Gang grow, and we are trying to grow massively. So come become a goon. Smoke that like button. And I will see you guys Monday. Stay safe, stay strong, don't get rug pulled, and most importantly, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed.